Hey guys, good morning. Hope you had a happy 4th of July, Independence Day in America, and just want to say that, today's topic is going to be about my secret recipe, chocolate banana smoothie. So I'm going to tell you guys how to make it, and in the description too, and why I'm making it, where I'm making it, how I'm making it, and how good is it, and what the secret ingredients are, okay? So today is Friday here in Bangers. It's a drizzling day today. As you can see, it's raining every single day. It's the rainy season, as they say. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Are you guys ready? Okay, so what you need is to make this chocolate banana smoothie. There's so many different varieties of chocolate banana smoothie you can make, and so I'm gonna get started. So for breakfast I had a glass of water. Well, I worked out for an hour and I had a glass of water, and I had one banana for breakfast, and I had salad. So that's my breakfast. So I guess it's like around 200 calories, which is pretty cool. But we'll get into other videos about that. Anyways, yeah, I love banana, and I'm pretty sure you guys do too. You know, coming from South America, you know, it's a really great quality. So this is how you make it. So now the chocolate banana smoothie I'm about to tell you is low fat, low calories, and no sugar. And it's super duper duper healthy for you. So here's how you make it. So first you need milk. So here's your milk. I use Thai Denmark lactose-free milk. And as you can see, this milk here is from Saraburi when I went to Saraburi. So this milk here is really healthy, and it's lactose free. And as you can see, this is about, I don't know, maybe like 15 baht at 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven doesn't have this though. So you probably have to go to like, find it, like, you know, where they sell it. I think Icon Siam has it, but you gotta check where they have it, okay? And this is what I use, this type of milk. So you just use one small, one of these, okay? It's very small. And that should add up into your 3/4 cup, okay? So it's 3/4 cup. So make sure you put 3/4 of milk into the blender. I have a Panasonic blender. So now as for the milk type, you have to use, you can use any type of milk. I first started with chocolate soy milk, but it turns out that it wasn't that good, I guess. That's the original recipe. So lactose-free milk is the best because, you know, it's no sugar milk. So that's what I use. But you can use any milk you want, really, but I prefer the healthy milk, which is lactose-free milk, and milk from like, or soy milk, chocolate soy milk, okay? So, and what you have to do is, once you put the milk into the blender, then you have to put your banana. Now your banana, there's two ways to do this. You have to put one banana in your freezer overnight. So put it the day before you're going to use it. So let's say yesterday you put one banana in the freezer because you want it thick as possible. You want a thick smoothie. Thick smoothies are the best when they're frozen, okay? So put one banana in the freezer overnight, and that's all that you need. Now, if you fail to put one banana in the freezer, what you have to do is, in replacement, you can use 4 ice cubes. So you just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ice cubes. You put that in the blender and that will give you the smoothie texture of a really ice chocolate banana smoothie. Okay? And then what you have to do is, the next steps are, get your Hershey's Cocoa since 1994, 100% cocoa, natural, unsweetened, 10 calories per 1 tablespoon serving. So it's 0 saturated fat, 0 milligrams sodium, 0 grams total sugars, which is perfect. So this is like about 200 baht at tops. You just put this and that's all you need. Now there's different varieties of cocoa and different, I choose the American brand, which is the best, I think. And as you can see, this expires in 2021. And it's Hershey's perfectly chocolate, it's perfectly the best that you can use because of the simple fact that there's no artificial flavors, there's no artificial colors, there's no preservatives, and it's gluten-free. So 1 tablespoon of Hershey's Cocoa should do the trick, and that should give you the chocolatey flavor. So 1 tablespoon would be something like that, okay? Just 1 tablespoon. And that's it for chocolate banana smoothie. And pretty much what I want to tell you is that it's super healthy. I'll be honest with you, I have it like once a week. You could have it every day pretty much. Calories, you're looking probably at about maybe 100 plus calories. I'm not too sure about that. But it's really healthy, and it's something that I make once a week here at home. And well, yeah, you can probably hear that ambulance. It's pretty noisy over here in Bangers today. And I hope you enjoyed my videos. This is my third upload, and I'm going to be uploading more videos for you guys on different topics. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any requests, just leave it in the comments, and then, or you can subscribe or like my page. And as you can see today, I'm probably gonna go out and maybe have some pizza for lunch. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So don't forget all those ingredients. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Now you can add whipped cream to your chocolate banana smoothie. I don't use whipped cream because it has sugar in it. But whipped cream costs about like 150 baht or something. It's like $5. And to top it off, if you really want to make it sweeter, you can put chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles on top. And that should give you one of the best chocolate banana smoothies. Now, if I decide to sell it, I would probably need to make a profit and sell it for 200 baht. But I'm not selling it. And yeah, because here where I live, they don't make smoothies here. So it's really hard to find a good smoothie. I would probably have to go to like Central or the mall. Okay, and yeah, so that's about it. So hope you enjoyed my video, and we're running out of time. And it's Friday, guys. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So the weekend is here. Let's party and let's rock on. And hope you have a great weekend. Take care and peace out. And hope you enjoyed my videos. And like I said, if you have any requests, email me or anything like that, and I'll try to make the video for you. Okay, and let me get back inside because I'm breathing all this PM 2.5 dust. And we'll talk later. Take care and have a good day.